Today we're in a day 3. We have 16, 17 years old. It's literally the full game as the seniors would have, except of headshots. So, of course, competition and fights becoming more physical.
My job is I go to the warm-up area and I pick the fighters, bring them here. They have to wait here till it's their time to fight. Then I will take them to the cage and then it's their time to do their job. It's like family for me. It's really good to work here.
What really impressive is that how event is improving each time. At every level we have top experts in that particular field.
I am a general practitioner. I have to make sure that the fight is